See a lot of fans coming out of the LIRR M7 Port Washington bound for the concert. See, that station could have constructed a longer station to fit the LIRR M712 car. See all the fans are coming up right now. This station is shame. It should construct a long more station for Port Washington and Penn Station bound. Not sure how long this station will be seen is because of the concert that everyone wants to see. Oh boy. Why is everybody running towards the city field? It's because they want to. All the fans are coming up right now. Wonder when this train is leaving. Oh my God! What on earth? But wait! There's another train coming up! Huh? Going to the concert City Field. You're welcome! But wait! Here comes the Penn Station bound! Now this gets really interesting. Whoa! And if you want a proof, there you go. But back to the train. Oh, Port Washington bound is gone. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm not 100% sure how can this turn out, but that's how it works. And there goes the Penn Station bound. Long Island Railroad M7. I do not want to drop my phone because then I'll be in enough trouble. that's it. There you go.